A civil authority has issued a tornado warning for the following counties/areas. Broward County, Miami-Dade County in Florida. Okay, can someone please get another person to read all of this? I'm just Cal. I'm not meant to read every single thing about this tornado. The people can already guess that there is a tornado. How about you guys get Paul to read the rest? If this is what Paul has to read, well then I'm lucky that I don't have his job. How about I just stick to messages from authorities, please?